Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel Appify. So today in this video I'm gonna show you how to get your measurements on Shein. So without getting further delay, let's jump into our video. First of all, open up Shein app. Make sure you have already downloaded it. Once you open up it, it will land up you to this kind of interface. So here, go to profile on bottom right corner. Now go to home, simply tap on home button, and here let's say you want to select women category, simply tap on it. And here let's say you want to buy this item, then simply tap on it, and here scroll down, you will see check my size, simply tap on it. Now here you can select your height. Once you select it, you can select your weight also. You can select it in kg or lbs or in centimeter or in inch. So then tap on continue button. Now here select your belly size, either if it is flatter, average or curvier. Select one of it and tap on continue button. Now select your hip shape and then tap on continue. Now here select your size and then tap on continue button. Now you need to select your age. Once you select it, simply tap on continue button. Now if you wanna choose very loose, go for very loose. If you wanna choose loose, go for loose. For now let me choose average. Now here it will show your size, and here tap on continue shopping. So this is how you can select or get your measurements on Shein shopping app. So that is it for today. If you guys like this video, do not forget to like, comment and subscribe our channel. Thank you for watching.